was passed, a lot of students from all the colleges had sent emails, we had sent letters to the university, but we didn't get a satisfactory response. And even after the exams, we still contacted them. We had come over here about a month ago, and 2 weeks ago we had met up with the COE, we had met up with the dean, but they're not ready to listen to us at all. And this is affecting nearly 150 students across all the colleges, and this is really a lot of injustice that's happening to our students. And that's why we have come here for demanding it. It's a kind request to the university, because previously there was 125 marks total, and after that only 25% was for IT. Now it's 75%. So the people who have very low average ITs are almost failing in the papers.
There are so many students here that have been demoted, that have been failed. Why? Because the university decides to change rules day in and day out. Now these rules should be in the favor of the students. One day they say 25% is for the IT, one day they say 50%. There are some people over here who were sick during the ITs, who had family issues, who had problems, who couldn't go. But they thought, okay, we will manage that in our externals, in our exams. But no, the university decides to change the rule, and some of them have answered the ITs years ago. Now what are those people supposed to do? Fail another year just because the university decides to do things according to their convenience and the convenience of the professors. Nothing is for the interest of the students. These people have been writing to the administration. They have been coming, meeting all the concerned authority. No one is taking any action. We are giving you time till Diwali. Once Diwali vacation is over, you either come with some result to this, come with a solution to it, or today we are 40 of us over here. By the next weekend, we will be hundreds over here gheraving all of y'all and making your life miserable like you have made the life miserable of these students. Lives of students is not a joke, and please consider they are also human beings. They are also struggling very hard. Don't just keep changing rules according to your convenience.
Engineering students are facing the biggest problem. That is, there is an unjust system that is being provided by the Goa University. So NSUI with the students, various students from various colleges have come with this injustice system, wherein the university is asking for 50% weightage for IT marks and 50% weightage for the theory marks, the online exams that were held. When the exams were held, the IT exams when they were held, the percentage of marks, the weightage that was given was only 20%, and now it is very surprising that university comes out with a notice and they say that there will be 50% weightage to the IT marks. This is nothing but a system wherein they are creating a chance so that the professors have an upper hand, so that the internal marks which are in the hands of the college, they can provide the marks according to their will. And when these students answered the exams, they never knew that the percentage of weightage for this marks would be 50%. And this is surprising that the notice changes overnight, and the weightage for the IT marks has changed drastically. So we are requesting the university that if they want the weightage to be 50%, give us a chance, give the students a chance to answer the IT examination, the internal test examinations again, or else go with the previous system wherein the IT marks weightage was 20% and 80 marks for the theory, because otherwise this is nothing but an unjust system for the students. And if the university is not agreeing to this demand, which is we rightfully demand for this, it is our right, and if they are not, the university is not agreeing, then we, the students, along with the NSUI, will make sure that this happens. And unless and until this happens, we will not keep quiet. And we are here for our rights, and nobody can do injustice to us. So it is a kind request. Right now it is a kind request, then it will be a very strong demand, and we will be gherawing the VC and the registrar after Diwali if this issue is not solved.